What's going on, guys? Kid Lesson here today, and today I got something special for you as always. And I'm actually recording this at the time that I'm making the tail light and third brake light video, but as you can see right there, that's a headlight. And today is finally the day that I am replacing my cracked driver's side headlight. I've been wanting to do it ever since I bought the truck, but it's just so expensive to go the route of OEM, which is what I wanted to do. It's like $1,400 for an OEM headlight. Then you gotta get it painted because you can't even get it painted from Chevrolet. But I got this one off of eBay from the same people I purchased my tail lights from. I'll put a link down in the description. It was only like $350, and I called my local body shop, and it's only gonna cost like $80 to get it painted. And I'm going to be taking it tomorrow. And I guess I'll catch up with you then. All right, real quick, guys. I know I showed it in my 1 year of ownership video, but here's the crack up close. It doesn't look that bad, but it's definitely not good. As you can see, this is just all broken. Anytime I wash my truck, water just leaks into the headlight, and I'm surprised it hasn't burned out the bulb yet. I don't know if it would, but I'm just scared of it. Down here, actually, I don't know if I can show it, but the tab that's down here is broken. So besides that tab being broken and just all of this, just it's got to go. What that dog doing? All right, guys, it's the next morning, and right now we're on the way to the body shop. Got the headlight right there. Time to get this thing painted. All right, guys, we just dropped off the headlight at Putnam's Body Shop here in Austell, Georgia. Now I'm on my way to work, and I will catch up with you guys when we get it back. All right, guys, it's the next day, and I got a phone call from the body shop telling me that it's good to go ahead and pick up the headlight, and we're on our way now. All right, guys, we picked up the headlight, and I'm stopping to get gas real quick, but I'll meet up with you guys back at the house. All right, guys, we're back at the house. We're not going to waste any more time. We're going to pop this guy out and put this guy in. Let's get into it. All right, guys, she is out, and I think I explained it before. This is where it broke at the bottom, and it was just sitting there dangling. No type of support at the bottom. And I got it laying over here. So before the cracks, gotta go ahead and flip it over. You can see where it's all broken. Yeah, this thing really need to be replaced. But now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy in. And he sure is looking right. right, boys and girls, she is on there. And I know for some of y'all it just looks normal, but for me, I'm just glad that I finally have a non-cracked headlight in this truck. Like, it's just surreal for me to see it the way it is right now. And one thing I forgot to do initially was the aftermarket headlight didn't come with this piece right here, so I had to take it off my other broken headlight, and while doing it, hoping I didn't break any of the plastic retention clips on it, and I didn't, thankfully. And it came off with a little bit of, took a little bit of elbow grease, but it came off, thankfully, and it clicked right into place on here, no problems. Obviously, it's not perfect itself. As you can see, it's got some scuffs, but it's not broken. Overall, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna have to adjust the angle that the headlight, or that the light bulb is directed towards, but I love it. But that's all I got for you guys this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.